we are going to go try something we've never tried before, and that's magnet fishing. So we ordered a magnet fishing little kit from Amazon. I think it does 350 pounds, what it's supposed to pick up.
So it's 5.
Well, whatever it is, we'll link that in the description. But so we got the little kit. This is a little kit. We just got it in the.
I'm not going to try to pronounce that.
Yeah, we got it in the mail just a few minutes ago. So we are going to go try it. Doesn't come with much, but it does come with a lovely pair of gloves.
They're not that bad. They won't fit like a man's hand, but they fit mine fine. But like his hands, forget it. But they've got like grip. I've got a little bit better quality pair for fishing, cleaning fish, and that's what it reminds me of. It's got good grip.
And it comes with a rope. It's got carabiners on both sides. And then here is the big magnet. It's 2.5 inches around there.
But even if you look at the 1,500-pound ones, they're not a whole lot bigger.
It does. It is better quality than I thought because it was fairly inexpensive. The carabiners are okay. They're all steel except for the little actually clasp here. It's aluminum and the whole screw is aluminum. But for 350 or 500 pounds, it'll be fine for that. So we're headed right down the road here to Dead Lakes. We are going to try it out, see what we can catch. We'll bring you guys along. Hopefully you heard us on the way here what we were doing. We had the Osmo in the waterproof case, so this is just a quick video, so we weren't bringing the big mic and that kind of stuff. So here we go. We're going to start.
And this is the boat ramp for Dead Lakes.
Yeah.
About the only access for Dead Lakes unless you got private property or at one of the fish camps.
So we're just going to try right here to see what we can, if I can get this untied in a reasonable amount of time.
Which the water's still up here, which I'm starting to think it's more normal flooded than it is normal height. How long is that rope?
I don't know, probably 50 feet.
I'm the one that orders it, but I don't remember the rope size because I thought he'll have rope if it's not that good.
Oh yeah. It's going to be a little while untangling this thing. Gotta love new rope.
Okay.
Okay, so got her untangled. Our little heat shrink already slid off there. Which
it was $20.
you get what you pay for. But so we're gonna see what we can do.
Hopefully we don't lose it like the first throw or two.
But if we do lose it, it'll be on video. I figured this would be a good spot right here because this is the very back end of the boat ramp. So people are backing in with tools and something on their trailer or on the back of the boat. And
find tail lights, wheels.
Yeah, you never know.
Can you tell if you got anything?
I don't feel anything.
Okay.
Nothing.
Well, that's kind of something on there. He'll get bored really quick if he doesn't get something. Something plopping over there.
Yeah. And we have
stuff.
Yeah, just
what? So what is that? I mean,
most likely that's just pieces of rust that came off people's boat trailers.
Okay.
I figure we at least have a fishing hook in this.
I would expect some kind of tool. A wrench, a hammer. Bad throw.
Gotta let go of the rope to throw.
thought sure we'd have something. I mean, even a hunk of metal that's unidentifiable.
Nope, just
Stuff.
there's the biggest piece we've got so far, which is a piece of rust from
Piece of rust.
appears to be a.
Like a worm weight.
Why is it sticking to a magnet? Usually they're lead, so it's going to be.
It's kind of black too.
Yeah. Where's your big find, Dad? Oh, looky there, straightened out hook.
Probably hooked onto a gator.
Probably hooked onto a gator. What it was, so there was a gator out there messing around, and now there's bubbles heading over toward us. So they're getting closer there. So we may get to see Sandy catch a gator with a magnet.
I'll lasso him. Actually, you probably hear the scream and go, what the hell? He's probably going to be curious at what's happening at the bottom over here.
Remember, that's tied to you.
Shit. I'd rather have it tied to the dog.
Just sit down.
Ed's taking over the rope now. We'll see how he does. You can feel it grabbing, but just can't get anything to pull up. So, after really crashing bad with the magnet at the river and at the lake, we've got a pool set up here just for the dogs, kind of let them cool off, play sometimes. And dropped a big hammer, and yes, it's wrapped in blue duct tape for a project he was doing. There's a drill bit down there. And that hammer's pretty big. I want to see, does the magnet pick those up? Which granted, this ain't a river, there's no current, but just like I was doing at the docks, just kind of dropping it in. And got it. And it brought that up, and that's a pretty good size hammer. I'm even trying to get rid of it. And it's still holding. So, drill bit. One thing I'm noticing, watch, which granted in a river this probably wouldn't happen to be sitting in there. It barely caught it and brought it up. So it's definitely not the magnet. We're either just not getting on anything or we have really bad luck. First magnet fishing day, our wonderful finds. A big washer. And I don't know what he did with my thing that I call the worm weight. Got a really cool blue hook with some just old weights. Then the bigger hook that's been kind of straightened. Wouldn't be surprised if somebody was snagging a gator with that one. And the little washer. And that's it. Will we gator hunting? Or will we magnet hunt fish again? I will. I don't know if he will. So he wasn't too highly impressed with it, but we'll see. Would I recommend that magnet? If you're just bobbing it off the side of a dock, yeah. For your first time magnet fishing, yeah, just what I saw in the pool. I think so. We're gonna get a different one where you can drag it more, from like a side mount one, and try that. But I can go magnet fishing without him. We'll see what happens next time.